This 2024 Alliance RV Avenue 26RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 28 feet 10 inches in length and features a Cashmere interior, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, awning, slide-out, leveling jacks, external shower, stovetop burner, TV, smoke detector, air conditioning, microwave, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Alliance RV Avenue 26RD is 7,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.